Yes. Ryan, look up. Yay. Heather. And here comes that runner. Look at that propeller go. There she is, the runner.
Hey, the wind comes up, he's having to take off.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay. And here he comes.
First.
Yeah. Victory number what?
Number what?
Not that number, your victory. Oh yeah, burn up those.
That's about it.
The race just went off and there's the cheering spectators. Here comes the leader, and it's about somewhere around 6:30 to here. Being heavily drafted.
Come on, Hayes! Get that ball there. I told you, pace.
I haven't seen Trace.
Come on, Grandpa, let's go! We're gonna get him this time.
Uh-oh. There's the enemy. There he is. All right.
I'm gonna go over and go.
Tree. There is. You want down? The sidewalk. Guy's really moving. Too loud. Go, 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 kick it. Or Trace. Come on, Trace!
Oh, man.
Look at that time, Dad. Come on.
You can pick up your awards right now. Behind the flagpole.
Follow that lead.
First ball was go.
Come on, kick it!
Excuse me.
If I can make that announcement again, if I may.
Not bad
If you are
time.
an award winner and you have won an award, when you took a look at your name on the board behind the flagpole, you can pick up your award.
Boy, Trace doesn't look too hot.
We need to have everybody stand back about 3 steps here. Let the
You know, that's what Tracy Brown and me did at the marathon.
Heather Matthews warming up for her big race. And her little brother. Oh, is this serious training?
Todavía no, ven, córrele.
Hey, let's now stretch the opposite. Okay, now go to the other side. Did you get rid of my t-shirt? So I want you to get them now. Okay, hands on your hips. Hey! Okay, everybody up. Good. Check your shoelaces so they don't
Come on, Heather! Go, Heather! You're doing good! That's a girl! Don't trip! All right, Heather.
Go! Bobby, good job. Shoot,
Come on, Heather. Good girl.
Pretty good, man.
Let's see, Heather.
There.
Age 4.
See?
All right.
You just want
There's a serious race face.
T-Bone doing a great job again this year.
There, look what I got for you.
Okay, if all the kids would come around the announcers platform here, T-Bone's going to do a little magic show here while we get some of the results together. We still have the 10K.
Yay, the winner!
But if you gather around T-Bone, Tim's going to do a little magic show for you.
And I want to show you that we have a very hip nanny. We have a hip nanny. Give him the old thumbs up.
Oh, brand new. Oh.
That's great. Wait till she sees herself in these. This will be great.
We are here now.